You know what? He paid our bills for a year.